everybody, welcome back to another video about Babydoge coin. Hope you're fine now. Hope you're feeling good about Babydoge coin today. So guys, in this video I'm talking about the today update of the Babydoge coin. What is the future of the Babydoge coin? Is in the future the price of Babydoge coin will increase or decrease? So let me show you guys, but before starting this video I want to request all of you to please click the subscribe button now for more news and updates videos. Now guys, the currently price of the Babydoge coin in the market is 0.00001601 USD dollar. That is the currently price of the Babydoge coin on the other side. Furthermore, if we talk about the Chinese, so 7.89% the price decrease in the last 24 hours. That is going wrong, but except of these people are starting investing in Babydoge coin. What's the reason? Because the future of the Babydoge coin is bright. My friends, absolutely, you already know about that the Babydoge coin price is very low, and if the price is very low, so that's mean that the future price of the Babydoge coin will be high. Guys, they need just time. Be patient and wait for a long time. That's how you can make money, guys. It is a low price, and when Babydoge coin price are going to hit a $1 USD, so that's a profit time for all of you. Invest now more and more in the Babydoge coin and make a huge profit in the upcoming new year. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates.